Hello and welcome to Remote Learning. My name is Michelle Siblis and we're working on a group project named called Our Solar System. This is a lesson plan. In our group, you have Maureen, Karen, Jomi, Kelly, and myself. So the lesson topic is our solar system. This is a lesson plan for a second grade classroom where the students will see specific images. We will discuss the different images and they will learn about the planets. The learning target is students will learn the 8th planet, their order, the sizes, and their names. They will explore what makes the planets different. They will discuss various features, the features that differentiate one planet from the other. They will also familiarize themselves with new words, words like solar system, orbit, asteroid, planet, etc. So for the entire group activity, they will listen to a read aloud book, which is done by Maureen, and they will also listen and be engaged with a song via YouTube called the Solar System Song. Individually, students will have the opportunity to print, cut, color, and paste an activity regarding the solar system. They will be able to place the planets in order, and they will also have a riddle to do called Planet Riddle, Who Am I? They will be able to cut out the planet names below, use the glue to complete the riddle. We believe that this is a fun activity. This is an activity where the students will learn about their planets, what makes them different, and why it's important for us to keep our Earth clean. Due to COVID-19, we're teaching remotely, so parents will also have the opportunity to just log in to Google Classroom, click on the link, and give their undivided attention. It's very simple. All you have to do is just listen and follow along, and you'll be able to complete this work. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and you can also use this for your second grade classroom. Thank you.